Sa Sports Aksi, handa na po sumabak ang Women's National Football Team na Malditas sa AFC Women's Asian Cup Group Qualifiers sa Dhaka, Bangladesh.
Ilang bigating football team ng Asya ang kanilang makakaharap para sa target na makapasok sa prestigyosong FIFA Women's World Cup na gagawin sa Canada sa 2015.
Kanina, formal ng pinakilalang line-up ng koponan matapos ang mahigit 5 taong paghahanda at recruitment dito sa Pilipinas at maging sa Amerika.
Nagpakita naman ng suporta sa Malditas ang ilang miyembro ng Philippine Azkals.
The name Malditas came about in 2005, and as we say, it described that batch of girls who were feisty, or yung sinasabi nating palaban na on and off the pitch.
Thailand is ranked 29th in the world, Iran is ranked 56th in the world, and we're ranked 83rd in the world. So I guess they've been playing good, Iran, but the last video I saw of them, I think, the team that I have, if I was a betting man, I'd bet on these girls.